My name is Ginny Metherell, and welcome to this guided witchcraft meditation to help you connect with and open your third eye. Your third eye is your centre of intuition and understanding, and if you connect with it, you can clarify all the important unseen and occult happenings that work around you. In this meditation, we are going to look at connecting to and understanding how to open your third eye, so that then we can reach out with that inner spirituality. Working with your third eye is best done when you are at peace with yourself and trusting your own intuition and abilities. As we move through this meditation, feelings may come to the surface that need to be released. And during this time, be kind to yourself as this meditation unfolds, for these feelings will dissipate. Begin by finding a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a restful position and take a few deep breaths to relax your body and try and calm your mind. Take a little time to adjust your body into a relaxed and safe position. Close your eyes and begin breathing deeply and evenly. Feel your lungs rise and fall rhythmically with each breath of air that you take. As you breathe in, notice the passage of air through your nose into the back of your throat and down into your chest. Feel the movement as it comes up from your chest and out back into the world. Soften the edges of your body and relax down into your chair or bed. As you inhale inwards, follow your breath inside of you to your inner world, and there just stay. Observe whatever is present for you in this moment. What feelings are you holding? What emotions are tying you here? What negativity can you see? Sit further with those emotions and feel them flow through you. Any pain, jealousy, anger, resentment. Breathe them out of your body every time you exhale. Breathe in the love that you feel for your family and friends, and breathe out the negative emotions that you have found. Now bring your attention to the space between your eyebrows, your third eye area. Feel the skin on your forehead there. Feel the heat that is coming from behind. Connect to it with your mind. Feel every little pattern that flows across your forehead area and enhances that particular point. Bring to mind a deep indigo light which is glowing gently. It might be pulsing, it might be merely glowing quietly. It is a strong, safe, happy light. And now breathing in, imagine this light is growing brighter and more vibrant. With each exhale, it takes away any further negativity that you might be feeling. This light grows brighter and comes closer. You can feel its colour, its warmth, its strength. Place your head into this light. Let it bathe you with its bounteous and strong character. Breathe in and out, and breathing, you will feel the tension releasing and melting away from your head and down to your feet. The tension blocks that have been building over the last few weeks or days slowly dissipate out into the world. Feel the indigo light expanding, and it begins to fill your entire body. And as it fills you, you feel a sense of peace and clarity and intuition. As it fills you, you can feel the power inside of you, strong, correct, real. Bring your attention back to your third eye area. How does it feel now, once it's being bathed in this indigo light? Does it feel more sparkly, more energetic, more intuitive? Or does it feel calmer, more serene? Is there warmth? Can you feel the working of the third eye. Imagine that you have a flower placed over that area, and as the flower bathes in the indigo light, it unfurls each of its petals one by one, revealing a brilliant point of light at its centre. It is this point of light that is your inner wisdom and higher consciousness. How does it feel to you? Is it exciting? Is it calming? Does it feel just right? Let yourself be led by the feelings that you have now. For this is the true you, the deep you. This third eye is a gateway to your higher consciousness and deeper understanding. You are feeling safe and supported, happy, in control, at ease with yourself. Breathe in those calming and relaxing feelings, and breathe out all the energy that you wish to release. Watch those feelings as they flow by. Do not judge them, simply observe as these feelings pass by like clouds in the sky. Let them go. You do not need them, not at this moment. Each thought that you have, release it out and let it fly. What can you hear? What does your mind want you to see? Now come back and look at what the infinitesimally small, individual noises and lights that are playing around you now. What are they? How do they make you feel? Connect to them, for everything is made of energy, and so you can be a part of everything, as everything can be a part of you. Feel the joy that comes with this knowledge, with this understanding. Feel the happiness as it spreads through you. Take a moment to express your gratitude for this time and connection and inner exploration, knowing that you can return to this place of clarity whenever you need. Of witchcraft. And as you feel the happiness flooding through you, slowly come back into the room and feel the air on your face and the cushions at your back. And when you're ready, and take your time, slowly blink open your eyes and come back to the present that you are in. Be kind to yourself today. Be kind to others today. And thank you for listening with me, Ginny Metherell. Come and join me at Ginny Metherell for more witchcraft tips, tricks, and how to practice so that your soul remains as light as it feels now.